Jack adventure. Wait, there's a mushroom there?
There was a lot back there, those old ones too.
Wait, a big one. It looks like something ate it.
I'll show you. Yeah, something did eat it. Hopefully not you.
Not me. I hope it's not the dog.
It's not.
Too big.
It's probably just a squirrel.
It'll probably die.
Maybe.
We had to really remove these rock mushrooms.
Somebody better come out here and rake all these leaves.
You know, we're to the trail eventually. And you will see it every single day. Not every single day, but we will post it every 2 weeks Friday. Thursday, every Thursday we will post them. Every single Thursday we will post them, okay? Videos, not videos, but watching. And you might have seen a few of them. And you are pressing that subscribe. You are seeing them. You are really seeing me. You are really pressing that subscribe button today. No, the thinking and right pretty hard.
Smashing it.
Not really hard, but
Just enough to like
okay.
make a dent.
Maybe enough to just make a dent. And we might even make another thing that's my big.
Okay.
We might even make, if you guys push it, what I heard you did on the table once. If you did on the table, Jackson made a table. If you didn't see the one on October 5th, that one is called, that's called Long-Term Adventures. Jackson built a table. If you didn't see that one, go right there right now and watch it. If you don't like it, press the dislike button but I really want you to put a like button in there, you guys. I really did, because these are good adventures. And we're running about stuff.
Like what?
And we found a really rare mushroom at that time.
Talking about the blue one?
Yes.
Let's go check on those. There were some other blue ones that might be growing.
Yes.
Maybe they grew more.
Put a 500 likes in there. 5,000 likes. But we will do it right now, okay? And remember when we opened it up? That's what we're doing. We're adventuring the mushroom.
Say he's gonna get a good drink. Can you hold this while I put my glove on?
Okay. What are you doing?
I just put my glove on. Thanks.
Now we're back. No. We're going on this picture.
We're just gonna follow Sage, see where she goes.
That's fun. Howdy, wow.
All right. I'm just following Sage, man. Joking again. Okay. Are you choking? Hold on. Let me see. Open your mouth. What do you have in there?
Nothing.
Are you choking?
Nope, I'm joke.
Oh, well, that's different. That's fine. Let's go check on those mushrooms. You want to?
Now, do never touch burdock, okay? Because burdock is dangerous.
You see them growing back there? See. There. See, there's another blue one. Thanks for walking that, dude.
Oh, yeah. We walked kind of slow, but it's better than anything. Let's just stick around because that's what she does. She just sticks around.
Okay. She's just checking for any activity.
Let's just let her walk around for a tiny bit. So that's what she's down here.
Yeah, she likes walking. She likes walking around down here.
And your heartbeat might go up higher.
Yeah, what do you think it is right now? You want to go check it at the picnic table?
Yeah, let's just go to the bathroom and just walk around.
Let's see what the heart rate is.
Okay, I'm going to guess.
It tells you it was 63 beats a minute 1 minute ago. So it's about to read a current reading.
64.
That's pretty good.
Let's see what happens if we walk around more.
Okay, let's do it.
Yours is up at 64.
Hit that like button and leave a comment down below with your heart rate.
And guess what your heart rate is. If you sleep at 7 o'clock, put 1 like. If you guys put 1 like for each of one of you.
1 like for each heart rate beat.
Yeah.
I gotta go check something in the sugar shack. You want to give Sage a treat? She looks like she needs one. She's kind of hopping around. 11.8 volts. It's not the best. 12 volts over here.
It's not the best, but it's better than anything, right?
I know. Well, here's my problem.
Sit.
Aha!
Pa.
I was missing this piece of my coffee maker.
Pa.
Thought I guess I just left it right here. All right. I'm gonna make some more
Good
coffee.
girl.
Did you give it to her?
Yep.
Nice job, bud. Maybe I'll make some more coffee now.
Now, let's see what you...
Would you like to read a little bit of this book?
No, thanks.
I got it for you. It's called The Rules of Thought. Okay, have a seat and read some book. Jackson's a good reader, everybody. He learns a lot of his letters in school, and he knows most of them. What's your favorite letter?
J.
Okay.
J, B, and B.
Can you take a look in that book and see if you find any J's in there?
If I find a J, I'm going to stop there, okay?
Yeah. See how many J's you can find. I'll time you. Sometimes it's easier just to read the words, and then you can find the letters. It's up to you. You do it your way.
I already found a J.
Ooh, what word is J in?
Yes.
Jess. Ooh.
Yes.
How you spell it?
Yes.
Tell me all the letters in that word.
J-U-S-T.
Oh yeah, that word does have a J. That's a good one.
And I found what else?
I don't know.
Jax.
What is it?
Jax. J-A-Z-S.
J-A-Z-S?
No, J-A.
J-A.
G.
G.
G-S.
J-A-G-S. Jags, huh? That's cool. What's your favorite emoji?
Cats. So if you, not the fun, but go to emoji cat. And then a cat and a dog.
Everybody, go in the comments and tell us what your favorite emoji is.
And if you do that, you can take the safety class.
Alright, let's see how this coffee's faring.
We are professionals.
You know what the name of this coffee maker is?
What?
Take a guess. Do you know any of these letters?
A-O-I.
It's an Aeropress.
Aeropress.
You know how I know about Aeropress? My friend Alex, my brother Alex told me about it. He had one in his apartment, so I got one. works pretty good down here, especially. And you know what happens when you're done?
What, you drink?
Here's what I like about it. It's easy to clean up. Watch this. Get a good video of it. Look what you're videoing. We'll do the cleanup right now. Alright guys, ready for some cleanup? First take this out. And watch this. Pop it right out. Yep.
I see why you like it so much, because you can just
I brought it
pop
with me on my trip, but you know what I forgot? I forgot this part. This is where the filter goes. So I didn't get to use it, but that's okay, because my Airbnb I stayed in, they had a coffee maker I could use. And it worked out fine. So it was alright. I mean, it wasn't the best, but it was fine.
And you
Did you like when I was gone? Did you miss me?
a little bit. But
Do you think I missed you?
yes,
Yeah, you're right, I did. But you know who I missed the most?
my mother. Oh, your dog.
Yes, I missed my mom, and I missed your mom, and I missed Sage. Like, I missed your mom I missed your mom like a little bit more, but I also, you know why I miss Sage the most, like a lot?
Why?
Because she really, like, I'm her master, and that's like, she likes me the most. You notice that? She comes at me in the door, and she gets worried when I don't come home, and she doesn't, and she's not a person, so I can't tell her, like, I can't be like, oh, I'll just be back in 2 days, and you can't come with me, I'm sorry. She's just up there, and she's wondering if I'm dead, or she doesn't know anything. She just doesn't know if I'm ever coming back. So every time she sees me, when I come home, she's super excited, because she was starting to wonder if I would come home. She has a little bit of a routine, where sometimes she waits by the door, she knows I come home, like, certain times, and then if I don't, then she starts getting sad. Your mom tells me about it. But she does like me, I think.
And
Does she like you?
yes,
Dogs are a little different than cats. Cats are okay by themselves. They do get lonely, but
they don't really miss you.
yeah, they don't like cry like how the dog. They get more worried. They're like, hey, where's that one kid that keeps me warm at night? I like him.
Who's a cat?
Yeah, and then but Sage is like missing her master, and then they could howl when they're missing them. Anything up in the loft going on?
It looks like it's not.
Yeah, we could just go up and chill for a minute. You want to go up and chill in there before we leave?
Okay.
You see any leaves changing color? Do you know what colors do you know about on the leaves? Any orange? Any red? Any yellow?
Let's play I Spy. Let's play I Spy.
Yes, sir.
I spy with my little eye something white.
Oh boy, is it one of those little boards down there?
Nope.
Is it the thermometer?
Nope.
Is it the sky?
Nope. One more guess.
Something white. Is it a leaf? A plant? Is it a plant? Like the flower top? What is it? Tell me exactly what it is.
It's that plant right there.
Oh, that one.
All those plants right there with a white toppings.
Okay, well, I spot with my little eye something green.
The glass?
Nope.
Nope, glass on the trees.
Nope.
I mean, not really glass,
I'll give you a
but
hint.
leaves.
It's not something that is a plant.
Okay. It's not a plant.
I'll give you another hint.
Okay.
It's a kind of tool.
A tool. I figured it was a tool. And it's green, right?
Yeah.
A green
Can you
tool.
see it? Can you see it over there?
If you guys...
It's on top of that pile of wood. Watch. Let me show you this trick.
I see it, that little ball.
Watch this. Let me show you this trick. It's hard to see on the camera, but watch what you can do. You can zoom in. See how we're zoomed in? Now you can see it a little better?
Yep.
Now we can zoom back out. Now we can zoom super out. Whoa!
I spy with my little eye something green.
Is it the grass?
Nope. I mean, I mean, you're kind of close, but it's our biggest grass.
Is it the biggest grass?
Yes.
Okay. How about this? I spy with my little eye something green.
Those things.
What things?
Those green plants.
Nope. It's not a plant.
Let's see that.
I shouldn't. Well, yeah,
metal?
it's not a plant really.
It's a metal.
No, it's not metal. It's real close. It's real close to you. You can barely see it. I'll give you a hint. It's the little board right there. You see how there's green on the board? Green paint?
I can see it.
Well, it's very close, right? Yeah. That was a good one because it was right in front of you.
I spy with my little eye something big.
Something big, huh? Is it a tree?
Nope.
Is it the stream?
Not close, but
Is it the bridge?
nope. It means, can I tell you
Yes,
something
tell me what it
big?
is. Tell me what it is.
You want me to give you a hint?
Yeah.
It's long and big.
Is it that log right there? Is it that log by the bridge or the log that's over there?
Nope. A log is a tree actually. So
Is it one of those trees over there?
nope. It's big and long, and it's not skinny. So a log or a tree is not it.
Okay, well, give me a hint.
It can help you find something like this. How we record?
Is it a thermometer?
Nope. It helps us record and it gives signal.
Is it the cell phone? Is it a cell phone tower?
Yep, right
Oh,
there.
a telephone pole. Okay. Good one.
I got you there.
All right. Well, I think we should go down
One
and
more
see them. Okay, one more, then we're going to go see the mom. Okay. I spy with my little eye something green. You'll never get this one.
Can you give me one hint or a couple
Okay,
hints?
here's the hint. The hint is it's way over to the left, and you might have to move to see it.
Is it a plant?
No, it's not a plant.
It's towards this way?
It's way off to the left, and it's hard to see. I can put it on the camera and zoom in if that helps.
Okay. And it's way over there.
Yeah, let's see. See if I can zoom in on it.
But don't give it away,
I'm
okay?
zooming. I'm not giving.
You're not trying to give it away?
I'm zooming though.
Okay.
I've got it right on the camera. Well, I've got it right in the camera. Let's see if we see it. You see it? I'm not giving it away.
That right there, that's
Do you know what that is? Can you even tell?
the metal.
It's over by the fishing spot. What do you think that is?
The sea.
Yes! That was a tough one. Good, you got it though. Alright, we're gonna head down,
I
guys.
got it in one guess.
Nice job, Snowman.
I didn't
Jackson.
I didn't want to lose this one, so I tried my best.
And you believed in yourself, right?
You want me to go down first? I could if you want me.
Okay. All right. We'll see you down. We'll see you down at the trail. We'll say goodbye one last time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Snowman Jaxson out. FunBoy Chris out.
Hey, here's the Jaxson and OG FunBoy Chris.
All right. Well, say goodbye because I'm gonna put my phone away.
Bye.
Bye, guys.